Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Mawari from Bigizali, contact number 302008. Okay, today I will present my assignment which is homestay to you. So basically the assignment, the task is we need to load the data from the public API into the list view using the Flutter. Okay, now I want to demo my application. I will restart first my application. So here we can see we have a splash screen, and also we have the loading indicator. We want to indicate user that now we load the data. We have a loading data, which is we load the data from the API into the Flutter. So the user know that the process was happening. So here we can see I put all the data into a list view, and also I separate it by the cut. So we can scroll it down here, and they say you want to see the detail of the homestay. You can click the arrow button here, and we will open the detail screen. Here we can see the overview of the homestay, description, amenity, activity, location, and also as where the homestay we get the data homestay. So here we load everything from the public API, and we view here. Here we can see now we have the photo here. Also, next we can see, uh, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is the pagination function, which is we separate the page. We not dump all content in one page, so we separate it. One page we only put 20 homestay. So now we have 100 data. So we divided by 20. So we got the 5 pages. So here we can see every page got the data, got the homestay view. Okay, next I want to show you filter by state function. So here we can see all the state we put here. Let's say you want to go to Kelantan, then choose the Kelantan, and here we can see 60 result found, which is all the result is only from the Kelantan state. We don't put other than Kelantan. So here we can see all at the base here, all the Kelantan. So here easy to user want to find where they want to stay at that state. So let's say you want to stay Kelantan. So here we can see all the homestay at the Kelantan. Okay, next we make all back. Here we can see all the pagination here. So now we want to, let's say the user don't want to use the filter by state. The user want to use the fetching by searching. Let's say user want to search Kedah. Okay, and search, and also it will reflect it. Okay, several result for Kedah. So here the result will still the result will appear all the Kedah homestay. So here, as we can see also, all here was a Kedah at the Kedah homestay. So the user want to see the detail, just press the arrow and here was the detail of the homestay. Okay, next, I also implement pull to refresh. As you can see now, I pull it down and you see the loading indicator, and it will indicate the loading. Okay, now I want to show you the error handling that I was implement. That let's say the user put the junk one, then search, then we appear no homestay found for that searching. Okay, let's say I want to show let's say the user don't have internet. I close the internet and I refresh the apps, and it will display, please check your internet connection. Now I want to open back the internet connection, and I want to refresh it back. And here we can see all the data was appear here. And next I want to show you if the API was not API path is not correct. You say homestay got S, and I remove the S and I save. Then I refresh back the application. as we can see, unable to load data for example because the API path is not correct. Let's say now I want to put back in the S and we load it back and we can see all the data appear. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you.